Cucumber. Now repeat after me. Cucumber. 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 Meaning, a cucumber is a long green vegetable with a crisp texture and a refreshing taste. It is often eaten raw in salads, pickled, or used as a garnish. In a sentence, she sliced a cucumber to add to her salad for extra crunch. Here, cucumber refers to the vegetable she prepared for the dish. Let's try another example. The spa offered water infused with cucumber and mint for a refreshing drink. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using cucumber. Synonyms. Some related terms for cucumber are gourd, a type of vegetable that includes cucumbers, pumpkins, and squash. Veggie, an informal term for vegetables including cucumbers. Antonyms, the opposite of cucumber would be none, as cucumber is a specific vegetable, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Cucumber is a noun referring to a crisp, refreshing vegetable often eaten raw. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.